Wi-Fi driver not working? Let's fix it. Here's what most guides won't tell you. The fix depends entirely on what Wi-Fi adapter you have. Intel adapters have different problems than Realtek. Qualcomm has different bugs than Broadcom. Generic fixes waste your time because they're basically guessing. So first, let's figure out what you're working with. Press Windows plus X on your keyboard, click Device Manager, expand Network Adapters. Look for anything with wireless, Wi-Fi, or WLAN in the name. The first word tells you the brand. Intel means Intel. RTL means Realtek. QCA or Atheros means Qualcomm. BCM means Broadcom. Write that down. You'll need it. Now before we go brand specific, try these universal fixes first. They work on any adapter. Fix number 1. In Device Manager, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter. Click Uninstall Device. Check Delete the driver software if you see that option. Click Uninstall, then click Action. Scan for hardware changes. Windows reinstalls the driver fresh from its backup. You're not downloading anything. This alone fixes about 40% of problems. Fix number 2. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type netsh winsock reset, press Enter. Type netsh int IP reset, press Enter. Restart your computer. This resets your entire network configuration and clears out any corrupted settings. Fix number 3. Right-click your adapter, select Properties, go to the Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Windows sometimes shuts off your Wi-Fi to save battery and then forgets to turn it back on. This stops that. Still not working? Now we go brand specific. If you have Intel, you're in luck. Go to intel.com and download the driver and support assistant. Run it and it automatically finds your adapter and installs the correct driver. Works 90% of the time. Intel makes this easy. If you have Realtek, especially the RTL8821CE, power management is probably your problem. Make sure you disabled it like I mentioned. Also go to the Advanced tab in Adapter Properties and set wireless mode to a specific value instead of auto. This adapter is notorious for power issues. If you have Qualcomm, particularly the QCA9377, I'll be honest, this adapter has genuine reliability issues. Try the Advanced tab and set roaming aggressiveness to lowest. If that doesn't work, a USB Wi-Fi adapter might be your best option. They're $20 to $30 and often faster than the built-in Qualcomm anyway. If you have Broadcom, especially older models like the BCM43142, driver support on Windows 10 and 11 is limited. Try installing in compatibility mode for Windows 8. If that fails, USB adapter is the practical solution. Check the description for links to interactive tools that walk you through each fix step by step. There's also links to detailed guides for specific problems like Wi-Fi connected but no internet or Wi-Fi that keeps disconnecting. If you're completely stuck, there's a link to chat with a live technician who can diagnose your specific setup. That's it. Like and subscribe if this helped, and drop a comment telling me what adapter you have and whether these fixes worked. See you in the next one.